What's going on, guys? Today's episode is the welding cart. The links are too long, and so they don't hold the bottle tight. So I used a ratchet strap. So I don't know this guy doing all, but whatever. I got some vice grips, a little cleaning brush, some dikes, and some pliers. So I've had the bottle turned off for about 6 days, and it still has some pressure in the line. So the only thing that I have an issue with is how the hose is right here and the bottle has to be right here, so it's kind of inconvenient, really. It's kind of squishing the line, so I may end up pouring it up like this away from the bottle, and I'll put a couple of my boards back here behind the welder, right in this area, to space it away so it's not kinking the hose too bad there. So other than that, I made the wife put it together. She did a pretty good job, and I just kind of sat there and watched, made sure that she put it together properly. And I mean, so far, you know, for 50 bucks, it's not a bad cart. So we're going to actually set up and weld some stuff. Oh, I have my Harbor Freight helmet down here, auto darkening helmet, and we will do a video on that. So I'm gonna set up my new table, my welding table, on the scissor stand. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.